am Gokul Das from Palakkad. I have completed my post-graduation in International Business from Srinarayana Guru College, Coimbatore in 2010. I got placed in the Sanmark Group in the same year. There, I was taking care of claiming and accounting of various export incentives and post-export documentation. I was there for 6 years. Then, I joined in the Saint-Gobain Group, Palakkad, as team leader logistics. Now, I am taking care of various logistics and commercial activities. MIB helped me to shape my career. I am really proud of being an MIBian.
Hi, this is Karthik. I am from Ooty. I have completed my post-graduation in International Business from Sri Narayana Guru College. Initially, I have started my career as a marketing executive in a freight forwarding company. In freight forwarding, my role is completely a container sales for export. And then I stepped into a liner company called Samsara Shipping as an operations executive. In operations, my role is completely vessel operations. There are various kinds of vessels we are handling, like bulk, break bulk, ro-ro, oil, container, etc. For all the vessels, I have taken care of berthing, sailing, loading, unloading, etc. Simultaneously, I have done my STCW sailing course from Amit University, and I got my CDC and COC. And then I have started my sailing in Suez Canal container vessel for 8 months. And next contract, I have shifted into a ro-ro vessel called Hoke St. Petersburg. I was there for 8 months. After completing my 1.5 years of sailing, I have shifted into a shore job. At present, I was working in Inchcape Shipping Service as a market analyst, and I am completely taking care of port, berth and terminal for US, Europe and Asian countries. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Shamir. I completed my post-graduation Master of International Business at SNDC in the year of 2012. And then same year, I got placement at Bangalore, the one of the company Universal Group. And then I was their business development officer till 2014. Later on, I migrated to UAE, and then I joined one of Australian-based multinational company, JML UAE. And then presently I am working there, senior procurement officer. And then this occasion I am taking to convey my regards to all our faculties, and then I am proud to be an MIB. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nishant Kiran. I had done my Masters in International Business from Srinarayana Guru College, Coimbatore in the year of 2009-2011. If you can do this course, you can easily get a job in logistics, export, import, airline or shipping line industries. Also, if after finishing this course, if you can do a crash course in SAP Materials Management or SAP Logistics Management or SAP Supply Chain Management, there will be a wide range of opportunities inside India as well as outside India. And also you can earn like an IT employee. Those who are interested to join this course may contact Mr. Saravanan, HOD, Department of International Business, Srinarayana Guru College, Coimbatore. His contact number is 994343 7749. Thank you.
Hi all, this is Naveen Krishnan. I'm an alumni of Srinarayana Guru College. So I'm working in Standard Chartered Bank as an officer in Bangalore. So I have done my BCom in International Business in Srinarayana Guru College and Masters in International Business in Bangalore itself. So we are very excited and happy to say that we were the first batch for BCom International Business in the Srinarayana Guru College, and it was a quite happy and awesome experience with the faculties and also with the college environment. Thank you.
Myself Shalu Swaminathan. I'm working in Cochin International Airport as a customer agent for Air India. I have completed my BCom IB and MCom IB in Srinarayana Guru College, Coimbatore. I'd like to thank all my faculties and my college for providing very beautiful inputs and infrastructure for building all the success in my career. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Surya. I have completed BCom specialized in international business from Srinarayana Guru College at the year of 2019, and now I'm working in Hindustan Global Solution Private Limited in Bangalore as trainee customer relation officer. And at this moment, I would like to convey my gratitude towards my all faculties for supporting me through this entire journey. Thank you so much.
Hi, myself Benny Deva from Palakkad. I have been part of international business family in Srinarayana Guru College for the last 5 years. From 2015 onwards, I have been part of this department. 2015, I have joined BCom IB, and later on I moved to MCom IB in 2018. The department and the institution is very much helpful in all the senses, mainly in my placements. I have been placed in Thyroke Technologies, Infosys, and ICICI Bank during my UG degree. Also, I have been placed in HRH Next, DX Tech, GICE, R&D Soft, and Lakshmi Cargo Company in my PG degree. I sincerely thank my staffs for their selfless help for my uh, project internship and my placements. The department also organizes the internship programs, outbound training programs, industrial visits, and so on. All the efforts put by the staffs are greatly appreciable. Thank you and thank you so much.